Once upon a time lived three Hebrew boys, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, devoted to their faith, unbending even before a powerful king. King Nebuchadnezzar, in his arrogance, built a golden idol, demanding all to worship it. The boys' refusal to obey incensed the king, commanding that they be thrown into a fiery furnace. But their resolute faith protected them. Witnessing the miracle, the heart of the king changed, acknowledging the superior power of the Hebrew God who protects and saves. This tale beautifully underlines the strength of unwavering faith, even in moments of dire adversity.